Hi there, family and friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special recipe for you guys. I have pumpkin with caramel sauce. It is a very easy recipe and very delicious. Go ahead and try this recipe out and let me know how it went. If you liked it, if you disliked it, because not everyone likes pumpkin. So if you're a pumpkin lover, this recipe is definitely for you. Stay tuned for watching. Hola amigos, amigas y gentiles, bienvenidos otra vez a mi canal. Hoy tenemos una receta muy rica y a ustedes que les gusta la calabaza, esta receta ¡mua!, deliciosa. Espero que le disfrutan de esta receta y muchísimas gracias otra vez por estar aquí. Okay friends, so go ahead and cut the pumpkin in small pieces and add some cinnamon sticks and piloncillo. Piloncillo is Mexican cane sugar that you can find in your Mexican or Latino supermarket. They're in little packets, like where the spice rack is. That's where you'll find them. Okay amigos, corten su calabacita en pedazos uniformes para que todos se cocen igual. Le ponen canelita y piloncillo al gusto. So one thing I did want to mention was, you see me putting in the seeds. You do not have to. I think they taste delicious, like full of caramel sauce. So another thing is, I saved some seeds for gardening for the next year. I leave them out, let them dry, and then I plant them so I can go ahead and see how these beautiful pumpkins grow. Una cosa que yo les quería decir es, si a ustedes les gusta crecer su propia comida o sus vegetales, traten de secar unas semillitas para plantar el próximo año para mirar cómo crecen. Y no sé, era algo que yo les quería compartir con ustedes porque es algo que voy a estar haciendo yo. After adding our cinnamon and piloncillo to our pot, we're going to go ahead and add some water. And this water is going to be used to making the pumpkin very tender. Después de ponerle canela y piloncillo, le vamos a agregar un poco de agua y le vamos a tapar. Y recuerden, esto tiene que ser bien bajito por aproximadamente una hora. After putting the lid, guys, we're going to put it on very low for 1 hour. So after all the water has reduced and you can see at the bottom of the pan a delicious caramel sauce, you know your calabaza con piloncillo is ready. Ok amigos, ya quedó nuestra calabacita bien rica, bien tiernita y dulcecita. Ahora vamos a probar nuestra calabaza. En mi familia normalmente la comemos con leche y es como un postre tan rico. Y aquí les voy a enseñar cómo. Alrighty, so I have taught you guys how to make the recipe, and now I'm going to teach you how to enjoy it. In my house, in my family, we add milk to it. Yep, you heard it right, it's milk. And in my opinion, the milk neutralizes the cinnamon and the sweet flavor of the pumpkin to enjoy it. Just kind of like syrup, when you do like syrup or fudge on ice cream, I feel like that's the vibe it gives it, okay? So try it out and let me know what you think. Y por supuesto amigos, no puede faltar la lechita. Es lo que la hace, la combinación es maravillosa. Traten esta receta, denme un like, miren mis videos y hasta la próxima. Muchísimas gracias, les agradezco que estén conmigo otra vez. Alrighty guys, so I hope you guys stay safe and keep doing what you're doing with all this craziness happening around us. Stay sane because that's about what we could do. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one.